Kendall, Kendall, where are we? We're at Disneyland. Yay! Who's a cute man? Who's a cute man with Daddy, huh? Say hello. We're at Disneyland. Hi, Mommy. Kendall. What's that? What's that? What's that? Is that the flag up there? Oh, no, no flag. Just looking. There's Kendall. Kendall. Are you dancing?